Blockchain technology offers a secure and transparent way to store and manage data, revolutionizing how we protect our digital assets. But in a world where cyber threats are constantly evolving, how can we ensure that our blockchain systems remain impenetrable? This video dives into the best practices for enhancing blockchain security, from safeguarding private keys to mitigating smart contract vulnerabilities. Whether you're a developer, investor, or simply curious about the future of digital trust, these insights will help you ensure the integrity and confidentiality of your most valuable data. Let's unlock the secrets to bulletproof blockchain security. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our tips and guides. The promise of blockchain security, safeguarding the future of digital trust. Imagine a world where your most sensitive data, your financial transactions, medical records, and even your identity are protected by an unbreakable shield. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is the promise of blockchain technology. In today's digital age, where cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated and frequent, blockchain offers a revolutionary approach to security. Yet, even the most robust systems have their vulnerabilities. So, how secure is blockchain really? And what can we do to protect ourselves? In this video, we'll explore the critical role of blockchain security, uncover its weaknesses, and reveal the best practices to keep your digital assets safe in 6 sections. Section 1. Why blockchain security is crucial in today's digital landscape. Every day, we hear about data breaches, ransomware attacks, and identity theft. In 2023 alone, cybercrime cost the global economy over $8 trillion. The stakes are higher than ever, and traditional security measures are struggling to keep up. This is where blockchain comes in. Blockchain's decentralized nature means there's no single point of failure. Its cryptographic foundations ensure that once data is recorded, it cannot be altered without consensus. This makes blockchain inherently secure, but not invincible. As adoption grows, so does the incentive for hackers to find weaknesses. That's why understanding blockchain security isn't just a technical concern. It's a necessity for anyone navigating the digital world. Section 2. How blockchain technology enhances security at its core. Blockchain is a distributed ledger, a shared database that's maintained by a network of computers. Here's how it enhances security. Number 1. Decentralization. Unlike traditional systems that rely on a central authority, blockchain distributes control across thousands of nodes. This makes it nearly impossible for a single entity to manipulate the data. Number 2. Immutability. Once a transaction is recorded on the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted. This creates a permanent, tamper-proof record. Number 3. Cryptography. Every transaction is secured using advanced cryptographic techniques, ensuring that only authorized parties can access the data. These features make blockchain a powerful tool for building trust in the digital world. But as we'll see, even the strongest systems have their Achilles heel. Section 3. Understanding blockchain security vulnerabilities. Blockchain security features are impressive, but they're not foolproof. Let's break down 3 major vulnerabilities. Number 1. Private key compromise and theft. Your private key is like the master key to your digital vault. If it's stolen, your assets are gone forever. For example, in 2021, a hacker stole 600 million from the Poly network by exploiting weak private key management. Number 2. Smart contract vulnerabilities. Smart contracts are self-executing programs that run on the blockchain. But if they're not coded properly, they can have flaws, like logic errors or reentrancy attacks. The infamous decentralized autonomous organizationist hack in 2016 exploited a reentrancy vulnerability, resulting in the loss of $50 million. Number 3, 51% attacks. If a single entity gains control of more than half of a blockchain's computing power, they can manipulate transactions. In 2020, the Ethereum Classic Network suffered multiple 51% attacks, leading to double spending and loss of trust. Understanding these risks is the first step toward mitigating them. Section 4. Best practices for securing your blockchain operations. Now that we know the risks, let's talk about how to protect yourself. Here are 3 best practices to secure your blockchain operations. Number 1. Strong passwords and multi-factor authentication. A weak password is like leaving your front door unlocked. Use complex, unique passwords and enable multi-factor authentication wherever possible. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, like a fingerprint or a one-time password. Number 2, secure storage of private keys. Your private key is your most valuable asset. Store it offline in hardware wallets or cold storage. Think of it as a digital safe that's immune to online attacks. Number 3, regular audits and security reviews. Whether it's your smart contracts or your network, regular checks can catch vulnerabilities before they're exploited. Internal audits are important, but external reviews by third-party experts can provide an unbiased perspective. Proactive security is the key to staying ahead of the threats. Section 5. Real-world examples, blockchain security breaches and lessons learned. History has taught us hard lessons. Let's look at 2 notable examples. Number 1, the DAO hack, 2016. The DAO was a decentralized autonomous organization built on Ethereum. A flaw in its smart contract allowed a hacker to drain $50 million worth of Ether. The incident led to a controversial hard fork of the Ethereum blockchain. Number 2, Gox Exchange collapse, 2014. Once the largest Bitcoin exchange, Mt. Gox lost 850,000 Bitcoins due to poor security practices. The breach not only bankrupted the exchange, but also shook trust in the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. These incidents weren't just costly, they highlighted the importance of rigorous testing, transparency, and constant vigilance. Section 6. The future of blockchain security. Emerging threats and solutions. As blockchain technology evolves, so do the threats. Here's what's on the horizon. Number 1, quantum computing. Quantum computers could one day break traditional encryption methods, putting blockchain security at risk. But researchers are already working on quantum-resistant algorithms to counter this threat. Number 2, zero-knowledge proofs. This cutting-edge technology allows you to prove the validity of a transaction without revealing any underlying data. It's a game changer for privacy and security. Number 3, homomorphic encryption. This allows computations to be performed on encrypted data without decrypting it first, opening up new possibilities for secure data processing. The future of blockchain security is a race between emerging threats and innovative solutions. The key takeaway: blockchain security isn't a one-time fix. It's a continuous journey. Blockchain technology holds immense promise, but its security depends on us. By understanding the risks, adopting best practices, and staying informed, we can build a digital future that's not just innovative, but also secure. So, what steps will you take today to protect your blockchain operations? Whether you're a developer, investor, or simply a curious observer, the time to act is now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Adaptivids for more tips on navigating the digital world. Let's secure the future.